If your savings aren't earning at least 7% right now, you are being underpaid, and I'll prove it. You are not just losing interest, you are being outplayed, and today I'll show you how to take it back. The problem isn't that you are not saving, it's that you are saving wrong. People say savings accounts are useless, you barely earn anything. That's a lie. I've seen everyday South Africans go from 35 Rand to 350 Rand a month. Same money, smarter setup. By the way, I'm Ekow, a legacy builder, a property investor, and a former investment banker. And on this channel, we talk about all things personal finance and smart money moves. Let's start with the one tweak that changes everything: compound interest optimization. Before we break it down, I've put together a free Money Master PDF that shows you exactly how to make your savings work harder. Smarter savings starts here. Alright, let's talk compound interest, the game changer most people ignore. If you've got 10,000 Rand in a 3.5% interest, you are earning 29 Rand a month. But at 10%, that's 83 Rand. That's 648 Rand you are losing. Not because you didn't save, but because your money is trapped in the wrong account. 648 Rand might not seem much, but for a parent, that's school fees, grocery, or a doctor's visit gone. Compound interest means your savings grow on top of themselves, and the more often it compounds, the faster it snowballs. It's like giving your money a turbo boost. But it gets sneakier. Even when the banks advertise the same interest rate, they still find a way to shortchange you. Some banks advertise 6%, but here's the catch. It's compounded annually, not monthly. 6% annual compounding equals 600 Rand on 10,000 Rand. But 6% monthly compounding equals 616 Rand 78 cents. That's 16 Rand 78 cents lost over a year. 16 Rand 78 cents might sound small, but that's enough to buy 2 shares in a company like Renogen on Easy Equities. Imagine turning lost interest into real growth over time. That little difference adds up fast, and they are hoping that you won't check the fine print. If they compound annually but show you monthly rates, they are not doubling your money, they are doubling marketing. They kept your compound interest and left you with compound disappointment. For years, I thought my savings were growing until I did the math. Turns out they were on life support. Then I switched. 10.5% interest, 87 Rand per month. Real returns. Still stuck at 3.5%? That's like sprinting in the sand. Don't gatekeep this one. Help your people grow too. Comment "fix this" below or WhatsApp the word compound to the number on the screen and share this video with your squad. But who is really earning from your savings? Imagine you rent out your car for 10,000 Rand per month. They use your car to earn 6,000 Rand per week and send you petrol money. They earn thousands on your asset and you get pocket change. That's exactly how banks treat your savings. That's not savings, that's silent sponsorship, and you are the sponsor. But what if your money wasn't just sitting but working for you in bricks, rent, and long-term returns? Most South Africans think you need hundreds of thousands to start investing in property. That's false. I've helped people turn 10K, 20K, even 50K into their first rental properties using step-by-step strategies, no gimmicks. Your savings were never meant to sit, they were meant to build. Let's fix that with bonus interest accounts. What if I told you some banks will pay you extra just for following rules? Most people think interest rates are fixed, but they are not. Banks use bonus rewards to reward good behavior. Take time banks go save. You can earn up to 10% if you don't withdraw, give 10 days notice, and make regular deposits. That's like the bank saying, stick to your goals and we'll pay you more. Imagine saving 500 a month and ending the year with an extra 500 just from interest. Still manually saving? Time to automate. Number 3, sweep account equal automated earnings. If your money just sits in your main account all month, that's money wasting time. Sweep account move cash from your main account to earn 5 to 8% automatically. Let's say you leave 6,000 Rand in your check account every month. That's 72,000 rand over a year doing nothing. But with a sweep rule to an account earning just 6.5%, you pocket just around 4,700 rand in interest with zero effort. I know what you are thinking. This sounds like a full-time job. But here is the part that makes it stupid easy, even if you hate admin. Now, what if you could earn even more interest, but only for a few months? The trick? Timing the switch. Number 4, introductory offers equal interest boost. Right now, banks like Nedbank and Africa Bank are offering between 7.5% to 9.25% on short-term deposits, but only for the first 90 to 120 days. I earned 2,328 rand with the flip strategy. Basic savings, just 735 rand. That's 2,328 rand I would have left on the table just for staying with the wrong bank. Just remember to plan your next move before the rate drops. Next, I break down the future of earning interest in South Africa. Crypto savings, digital banks, and tools that beat inflation while you sleep. Watch after this video. That one is a game changer. Finally, number 5. Automated savings equal compounding on steroids. If you are still trying to manually move your money into a savings account every month, you are doing it wrong. Savings is like going to gym. You skip just a few sessions, the results stall. But automate it compounds faster than you think. Capitec lets you automate from your main account into a smart savings plan. TimeBank lets you set up payday saves that triggers as soon as your salary lands. Let's say you save 500 rand per month automatically at 8.5%. In 12 months, you've got over 6,200 and the interest starts feeding on itself. That's 231 rand 56 cents you earned while doing absolutely nothing. I used to think I was adulting because I had a savings account. Turns out, I was just donating my money to my bank. Forward this to one friend who needs a financial glow up. If I lost my phone today, this is the one table I would like to back up in the cloud. Screenshot this now. Save this table. Use it. Be the one in your circle who actually earns interest. If your savings aren't working hard, maybe it's time to upgrade the way you save. Not sure where to start? I offer a free 20-minute consultation to help you figure out the right move for your money. Most people think they need thousands to start investing, but often it just takes a conversation. Let's fix that. Want to go deeper? I've created a full playlist to help you squeeze the most out of every rand in your account. Watch it after this video. That one will multiply your savings even more. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more money tips. Be a legacy builder. See you in the next video. Peace.